Hey everyone, Serena B here, and today I want to share my Project Life kit for March and April. So if you're new to my channel, I do monthly Project Life. So I decided to start a little series this year on my channel where I show you the monthly kits that I put together, and then at the end I'll show you my pages. So I do it 2 months at a time, and if you want to check out my playlist, I'll have a link down below, as well as the pages for January and February. I'll also have it as a card in this video. This kit is just a bunch of fun new stuff that I picked up. If you want to see the haul, I'll also have it linked in this video. It's mostly all of the All Heart collection and Sunny Days. So the stickers, I have them here. I have the paper pad. This is also a crafty kit. Like, I'll use it for Project Life, but you know, whatever I'm working on, I'll also come to this for stuff. So I'll look through this at the end. So as you can see, all stickers, all the new stickers that I got recently. This is a sticker sheet that I got at Joann's when I was there last fall in the States. So I like to have it in every kit in case I need it for some crafty stuff. I also have these stickers that, I don't know, I just have them out in case I do decide to use them. I like the have faith, the be kind, you know, just different words that I might be able to use. And then I have this sticker pack out. Just because I like to make backgrounds with the circle parts, so I just have them out. Some more stickers, Maggie Holmes. I have the Maggie Holmes sticker book from Hobby Lobby. And then I have the Tim Holtz Small Talk pack. And then I have Sunny Days clear stickers. And then the puffy stickers from Sunny Days and All Heart. And I'm so in love with these stickers so much. Again, if you guys want to see my full haul in review, I will link it in this video. So these are all the stickers and embellishment stuff I want to use. I didn't put any washi tape aside or anything. I'll just grab it as I go if I need any. So in this container here, I have my tiny word stickers and the different Project Life cards that I want to use. So let me just go through it. I recently picked up the Chasing Dreams cards, so I have a lot of that in here from Maggie Holmes. This is just one I cut up. This is just a pattern paper that I made into a card. So a lot of the... I also have some new cards that my friend Melissa sent me, and they're so pretty. I went through them and picked the different ones that I might want to use. So I think these are from a mix of Ali Edwards and Studio Calico. So I love this one so much. I love the little floral bits. So yeah, these are all the different cards that I put aside. And then I'm going to document some new shows that I started watching. So I have these cards from Studio Calico from a while back. And then these are all my 4x6 cards that I put aside. And then I have some stickers here. I got these in some Happy Mail. And just a bunch of random stickers I want to finish up. I kept this because, I don't know, maybe you want to use it. This is from Maggie Holmes, Willow Lane. Yeah, so these, I know there's the same, but maybe I can use at least one of these. Sunday Fun Day. And then here are all the tiny word stickers. As you can see, some die cuts, and I have my Chasing Dreams puffy stickers in here. I think the rest are all word stickers that I might want to use. So yeah. So this is my kit for March and April. I may add things in as I go along. So yeah, this is what I'm going to be working with for the next 2 months. I'm really excited. I can't wait. And I absolutely love the All Heart collection. It's perfect for Project Life. It can go with everything. So yeah, alright, if you have any questions, just leave them down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a great day. Bye!